Hell yeah. I knew this spot was gonna be good. Oh, wow. Nice. Heck yeah. Flounder. Alright. Got hooked up to another fish. Another red. Nice red. Heck yeah. Oh. There we go. Don't like the net. Alright, good morning guys. We are about to do some fishing today. Got the Hobie in the water. And we're gonna go explore this area. We're gonna fish the Pine Island Sound today. And here we go. What a beautiful morning. Look at this. This is unreal. Pink skies. Pink cotton candy skies. I don't think we're gonna see any tailing reds, but alright, let's do this. We're gonna make a move, try to figure out this area. Let's go fish those islands over there. Alright, so we made it to our first island. We're gonna fish this mangrove line. Actually, we're gonna go fish the opposite end. But we're gonna start at this point right here. Let's see if there's anyone home. Seemed like something hit it. Oh my god, that was a big fish. I just had a fish. Something hit it. Something really big hit it. I hope I just didn't lose a redfish. We had a fish for sure. Not sure what it was. Something keeps hitting it. Something little. Nice fish here. Oh, I think it's trout. Something really little keeps hitting it. Alright, oh, our first redfish. There we go. Ooh, he's not ready. Heck yeah. Oh, he's wrapped in his plate. Oh, this fish is gonna get off. Woo! First redfish, let's go. Heck yeah. Little guy. Alright. Got one done. Let's get out of these mangroves real quick. Woo! Got a redfish, baby. Let's go. Hell yeah. Morning red. Woo! Still going. Look at that. Beautiful morning redfish. Got one spot on each side. This is a little guy. I'm not gonna keep him. I'm gonna let him go. We're gonna take a quick picture. All right. I'm sorry, dude. Here's her. There he goes. All right, we are on the board. I had a feeling the redfish are gonna be out here. Woo, got it done. Let's catch another one. All right, so we are on the board. Got our first redfish down. Trying to find a bigger redfish, so let's keep it going. Yeah. All right, so we got ourselves a ladyfish here. We're gonna use them up for bait. Look at that perfect size. Perfect size for cut bait. So we're gonna keep them and just hang on to them until we use them for bait later on. Put them under the seat. There we go. Got ourselves bait, and now let's get back to fishing. All right, let's find our giant redfish. Just keep them moving. Excuse me. Every time you cast, you gotta take the freaking grass out of your lure. Wow, nice. Heck yeah. Flounder. Oh, wow. What a catch. Oh, dude, so sick. Wow. A freaking flounder. That's awesome. And it just came off. And the hook just came off. Alright, so here we are. Nice catch. Surprise fish right here. Did not expect a flounder to hit the DOA. But I think this flounder is way too small to keep. So probably gonna go back. It's gotta be 14 inches. Oh, just a shy. Huh, about 13. 12 and a half. So way too small to keep, but all right. Here's our little mystery fish or mystery catch. All right, let this guy go. There he goes. Nice. All right, that was pretty sweet. Flounder, redfish. What a day. What a day. Alright, so far we caught a redfish, a few ladyfish we're gonna use for cut bait later on today, and then we just hooked up with a flounder. And yeah, so far so not too bad. You know, been fishing for about an hour and a half, and caught 3 different species already, so that's kind of tight. I was gonna keep it going, still try to find that redfish and snook, and then later on we'll go for some trout. That flounder was really cool. I haven't caught a flounder in a long time. Really was not expecting that fish. All right, we are doing something different. We are gonna throw out a cut ladyfish for bait. See if anything bites. I've never really fished like this before, so we're gonna give it a shot. Just gonna put it right there. I normally don't fish with a bait, cut bait or live bait at all, so we're gonna try something new, and yeah, see what happens. All right, so we're at a new spot. We're anchored up right here. I threw out my cut bait right over here, and we're just gonna post up here for a bit and see what happens. We'll put a timer, fish here for about maybe 20-30 minutes, see if we get anything. There's a fish. There's a fish. Oh, nice. Nice, there we go. Nice little redfish. Heck yeah. Hell yeah. I knew this spot was gonna be good. Oh, nice. Woo, let's go. That's a slot red. Heck yeah. Wow. Yeah, we're gonna post up here for sure. Nice. All right, second red of the day. Woo, this guy's man. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about right there. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Nice slot red right here. Hey buddy. Oh. Hold on there. It might be a slot red. It might be too small actually. Here's our second redfish of the day. Came out of nowhere. And yeah, let's measure him, see where he's at. All right, so here's our little redfish again. I'm gonna let him go. He's about 18 and a half, just a little baby. So, all right buddy, thanks for playing. I don't know what I'm doing over here. There he is. Yeah, it's a little guy right here. Beautiful fish. Yeah, there we go. There he goes. All right, that's two reds, a flounder, some ladyfish for a bait. Not bad. We're gonna stick around here, see if we can catch a bigger red. Our cut bait's still out there, so all right, we got our cut bait out. We got two reds on the boat. Not a bad day. Big fish, big fish. Oh, big fish. What do we got? Something big, really big fish right here. Nice red, nice red. Heck yeah, nice. Heck yeah, slot red probably. Oh, he choked it. Woo! Wow. Heck yeah. That was awesome. Nice. We got it done. Heck yeah. We found our spot. Look at that red. Woo! He took off. Heck yeah. Look at that. Nice red right here. Third redfish of the day. Third redfish of the day. I'll take it. This is a fatter redfish too. We're gonna get a quick measure on this guy and maybe take this one home. He looks kind of, I don't know, we'll see. He's 18 to the fork. Nice little redfish, beautiful tail, blue tail, really nice fish. All right, so he's about 18 inches, but we're gonna let him go. It's a little guy again. There he goes. That's 3 redfish for today. All right, let's try to catch another one. All right, we're up, we're on. We got a fish on the cut bait. Not sure what it is. I think it got off. Nope, it's still on there. Oh, it's a catfish. Dang. All right, well, he really swallowed out. All right, we're on. We are on. We got a fish on. Not sure what this is. Probably another catfish. Man, this is getting crazy. Annoying. There's our second catfish. I can't get no red to eat this cut bait. What's going on? Nice little trout. Oh, there's a keeper trout. Oh, just got off. All right, got hooked up to another fish. Another red. Nice red. Decent red. Oh, this is a slot right here. Oh, for sure. Slot for sure. Oh, he's not ready. Not ready. Under the boat. Under the yak. Woo! Nice. Oh, there we go. You don't like the net? Oh, he's not ready. Still going. Right into the net, buddy. Woo! Let's go! Heck yeah, bigger red. This is the biggest one. Woo! Let's go! Heck yeah. Man, it is a grind out here. Woo! Look at that red fish. Way bigger. This is definitely a slot fish. Oh, nice fish right here. Oh yeah. Look at that redfish. Beautiful, 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 beautiful redfish. Heck yeah, they're out here. All right, let's just get a measure on this guy, and we'll probably keep this one. This looks like he's about 20. All right, let's put our anchor up real quick, and then we'll get a measure on this fish. All right, one more time. Here's our beautiful redfish. Here's our beautiful redfish. We got it done. Look at that tail. Beautiful blue tail. But yep, she's about 20 and a half. So slot fish. We're gonna take it home. I'm gonna keep on fishing for another hour. All right, there's our fish right there. Bleed them out real quick. Or anyway, you push it right here and it pops their blood and bleeds them out pretty good. All right, there's a slot fish going in the box. This is our little cooler. Fits a 20-inch redfish in there pretty easily. All right, anyway, we have caught 4 redfish, a flounder, some ladyfish. It's been a pretty productive day. We're gonna fish for another hour and then probably head back. While I'm at it, I could do a little you know, review of my Hobie Passport kayak. I mean, I'm standing up on it right now. I'm able to fish standing when there's, you know, not much wind going on. I'm able to walk around 360 with this kayak without a problem. I mean, overall, I love this kayak a lot. There's a bigger fish. There's a bigger fish. Oh, there we go. There we go. This is a nicer red. This is a nicer red. Oh yeah, way nicer red. Probably same size as the other one. Wow, they out here today. They out here. They out here, baby. They out here. That's a slot fish right there. Oh yeah, he ain't ready. I'm killing it with the redfish. Holy crap. Sick. Oh yeah, this is just the same size as the other one. Probably 20-inch redfish right here. Woo! Let's go! Yeah, let's go! Wow. We're killing it now. We are killing it now, baby. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Here's our sixth redfish. Sixth redfish? I can't remember. Woo, look at that. Look at this fish. Oh, the hook just came off too. Wow. The hook just came off. All right. Yeah, this is a slot fish for sure. I'm just killing it today. Here's, look at that. Beautiful redfish. Let's go. Let's go. This is our 5th redfish, 6th redfish. It's probably the best redfish day I've had in a very long time. If ever, this is probably the best redfish, amount of redfish I've caught. Anyway, let's get a measure on this fish. Alright, so my freaking camera wasn't filming, but I let that fish go. I thought I was filming, and I was talking for a good freaking few minutes there, and I didn't get any of it on film. So anyway, that was our 5th or 6th redfish for the day. We're just killing it right now. This is crazy. This is crazy. So we're gonna fish a little bit more and then just keep grinding. All right, so we're gonna wrap up the video. My battery's at 4% with the GoPro. It's the last battery that I have with my 3-pack. Anyway, we're gonna wrap up the video. It's been a good day. Caught a good amount of redfish, probably 5 or 6. I caught a flounder and then 2 catfish with a cut bait. which I've never really used cut bait before. So honestly, I'm brand new to using cut bait. I've never really hooked onto a fish using cut bait. I just figured, you know, since I caught some ladyfish, I heard, you know, ladyfish is good bait for redfish, snook, pretty much a lot of things. So I wanted to give it a shot, but unfortunately we did not hook up to a redfish or a black drum or anything worth really bragging about. But so we're gonna call it a day. It's been fun. Until next time, peace.